Your WordPress website is getting traffic, but is it building instant trust? The kind that actually converts visitors into customers? Because today, attention isn't enough. People trust people, not brands. That's why social proof, like customer reviews, testimonials, and real user-generated content isn't optional anymore. It's your biggest conversion driver. And when it comes to trust, nothing beats Google. Your Google business profile is already working hard, building credibility, collecting reviews, influencing decisions. But here's the missed opportunity. Are you bringing that trust onto your website? If not, you're leaving conversions on the table. That's where Google reviews come in. But the real question is, how do you actually display Google reviews on your WordPress website, easily and effectively? Hi, I'm Tina, marketing evangelist and brand spokesperson at Tagbox. And at Tagbox, we help brands turn real customer content into powerful trust signals that drive engagement and conversions. In this video, I'll walk you through how to embed Google reviews on your WordPress website using Tagbox. Let's add Google reviews to your WordPress website. Step 1. Install and activate Tagbox plugin. You've got two easy options. Option 1. From WordPress directory, go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new. Search for Tagbox. Click Install Now, then Activate. Option 2. Upload zip file. Download the Tagbox zip file. Go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. Upload the file. Click Install Now. Hit Activate. Once activated, you're ready to pull in reviews. Step 2. Create your Google Reviews widget. Open the Tagbox plugin. Log in or create a new account. Click on Create Widget. Choose Google Reviews as your source. Now choose how you want to collect reviews. Places. Collect reviews from multiple locations. My Places. Collect reviews from your own Google business profile. If you select My Places, click Connect Google. Log in and authorize access. Your reviews will start appearing automatically in the widget editor. Step 3. Customize your reviews feed. Before publishing, make it look on brand. Choose layouts, grid, slider, list, etc. Apply themes and styling. Use moderation to hide irrelevant or low-quality reviews. Step 4. Embed Google reviews on your WordPress website. Now let's make them visible. Method 1. Using shortcode. Copy the shortcode. Go to the page/post where you want reviews. Paste the shortcode into the editor. Method 2. Using WordPress block. Open the page/post. Click the plus Add Block button. Paste your shortcode. You can preview the widget. Adjust width and height. Click on Publish. You're done! Your Google reviews are now live on your website, building trust the moment someone lands.